Day 5, trying to figure out this log arch. Getting closer for the sawmill. Okay, round bar. Goes through these pulleys. 1 inch, set screw locks it down so it doesn't come out. I got a few of them. Angle iron. Put the angle iron here so that it can pivot on here. Cut that so it doesn't get in the way as it's angling down. A few of those so it can roll. The log arch that pulls the trajectory of the log up and onto the trailer. As this falls, reattach the cable going to the snatch block pulley and pull it straight on. That pulley, it can go back to another one, to another pulley here, back and forth, whatever ratio I need or want. Building a log arch out of that 3-inch angle iron, up, across, down, pivoting on that round bar, and these pulley blocks. Making it removable. So maybe drill a couple holes and put the grade 8 bolts. They hold like, I don't know, 20,000 pounds or something. And then that's removable. We're going to get working on it. I got a few more of those pulley blocks coming today in the mail. They're about $10 each. The bandsaw slides on those rollers all along the track as the band cuts it. Goes round and round. Twist these up, lock the log in, they slide back and forth. Post going there, hold the log from moving. It's the other way around, but I switched them so that I could load the logs on the right side.